Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a computer update of what I've built so far of my computer. So, alright, here we go. Okay, so I've replaced the motherboard now with the MSI motherboard because this one, I guess, was more for gaming. So yeah. As you can see, it's sitting right there. Okay, now the next thing I got was the video card. A new video card. This is the 8 GB RX 480. Okay. Swappable fans. So, and I'll show you the video card right here. Let me get a flash. Alright. See that next one. And at the end of this month, I'm going to be buying new memory. And I bought a new 144 hertz screen, which I'll show you in the next video coming up. So, guess that's it for now, guys. Drop a like on this video if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next video.